Before we begin our program, here is a brief message from iSurgeons Associates, a sponsor of the 2021 Summer Reading Program.
See them learn. See them experience things for the first time. See happiness. See an eye doctor before age 3. See better, live better with iSurgeons Associates.
Hello! Welcome to an episode of Creation Studio Grab and Go. This week we are going to be making tie-dye butterflies. You can pick up a bag of supplies for this craft starting Tuesday, July 6th in the youth area of the library. We will be making 250 bags and we will be giving them out until we run out. If you've already picked up your bag, you should find inside a coffee filter, one clothespin, half of a pipe cleaner, and 2 markers, one brown and one a different color. The first step for doing this craft is you're going to color your coffee filter using the markers. We've noticed that swirls or squiggly lines tend to work the best for making this look like it's a tie-dye butterfly. I'm gonna start off with brown and make a swirl, and then I'm gonna color it in with my other marker. Once you've colored your coffee filter as much as you want to, you're going to need one more thing, and that is water. We put water here in a little container, and we're going to drip drops of water onto our coffee filter. You can use a spoon like we have here, or you can even use something like a paintbrush or a sponge or even your finger. And you want to drop little drops of water all over your coffee filter. You're gonna let the color from the markers blend and combine as the water is absorbed into the coffee filter. Once the color on your coffee filter is fully blended, it's time to let it dry. We want it to fully dry before we do the next steps. Once your coffee filter is dry, you're going to scrunch up the middle of the coffee filter. You can also fold it if you want to, like accordion style, but you want to pinch it right here in the middle. These are going to be like 2 wings on a butterfly. The next step is to open up your clothespin, and you're going to place the center of that coffee filter right inside, just like this. And you can spread out the wings so they look nice. Then you're going to take your half a pipe cleaner and you're going to bend it in the middle, just like this. And then you're going to open back up your clothespin and place the pipe cleaner on top. And those are like the antenna for the butterfly. Last but not least, you can add a little face using the marker so that your butterfly has a nice little smile. And then you have a beautiful tie-dye butterfly. Next time for Creation Studio Grab and Go, we will be making watercolor salt painting. Until then, bye!